up you guys, it's Nat, and today we are unboxing my dream headlights from Alpharex. They sent it to me for Christmas and I'm so excited to see it. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm excited to actually open these and see how it looks. We have a card and a sticker. Alpharex warranty. This is a nice card too. It's sturdy. Sorry, random. I can't believe I'm to the point where I get my dream parts sent to me. Oh my god. Let me see. Thank you, Alpharex, for sending me these. Thank you so much. Okay, let's unbox the next one. God, let me give you guys a close-up of these. Look at how pretty they are. It's like the jeweled eye. And then there's an LED strip going down this way too. Oh. That was the unboxing. Now let's go install these headlights. What's up you guys, it's Nat, and today we're going to be installing the Alpharex headlights. I'm going to jump straight into it because I am curious on whether or not I'll be able to do this. There weren't a lot of YouTube videos on it, but I think we could figure it out. So I'm really excited to put these on. Stay tuned to see what it looks like. We're going to remove this bumper now. I have my bumpers on zip ties, so it's going to be an easy removal. I got the zip ties off. It took a razor blade and some brute force, but it's off now. We just gotta take off these five screws, and the bumper should pop off. Looking at this, I'm assuming we take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This bracket comes off, I assume, and then the headlight would pop out. It's still held on by this one right here. We do have to take out this one, and we have to take out this one too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We took out this one already too. And I think these are the last two. There's one more 10. This one right here. And we took out 1, 2, 3. There's a fourth one on the back. 5, 6. And then 7, 8. Last bolt right here. Under the bar. Ta-da! Okay, what's happening here? Is this supposed to be here? What is this? So I got all the wires off. I don't think I... fully understand this, hold on. Okay, this yellow wire goes through here. I remember that. I just unplugged the daytime running lights. I plugged in the male part of the new ones and then connecting the old ones back into the new ones. The ground, the positive's gonna go here, the ground's gonna go like over here. Okay, so positive, ground on the side over here, plugged in these parts through the front headlights. This side, I believe this is supposed to come out on this side. Okay. I have this wire here that's taped off, and I feel like this is the plug that I'm supposed to be using. I don't really know. I'm really confused. I don't know if it's focusing, but there's connectors in it. What are these wires for right now? I feel like this is the plug for it, but I don't know what these connectors are.
Wait, let me see the back of the headlight.
Thank you. I'm gonna try to unplug it and see what happens. Okay, so I decided to just unconnect these connectors. I feel like they're not important and we're just gonna ignore that. We're gonna plug everything in and hope that it actually works. And this should be the daytime running lights. That's these over there. What did it look like, guys? Shut up. This looks so good. I don't think it's supposed to be blinking that fast. I got the bar back on. Put the one side on, the before and after. She looks so aggressive with this. I love it so much. Okay, now we're just gonna install this one really quick and I'll show you guys the end results. Okay, I got the second tail light off. I got all the ballasts off on both sides. Took the headlight out. We're gonna throw on the new headlight, replug everything in, put the bar back on, put the bumper back on. I'm gonna zip tie all these wires and hide them somehow. But she's almost done. I'm so excited for these. You're lying. Well, I got all the other screws on. I can't get this one in though for some reason. It just keeps twisting and it's not stripped, it's just not catching for some reason. I'm skipping this bolt because it's gonna tweak me out right now. But the headlights are on. We're gonna throw the bumper on now. Screw that last screw, fuck that. And hopefully everything else goes on with ease and then we can actually drive the car like this. I didn't feel like putting in my mic in, so it might be hard to hear, but we're finally done. I ran into some issues, but it's okay, because we're just gonna deal with it. Okay, we have another issue, hold on. Just make sure that it works and my car turns on. But it's completely LED and white in person and it looks amazing, guys. It looks so good. It's blinking that fast. Okay. Oh, this looks so good. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe.